How to text to columns in Excel. Say you've got a column full of names, first next to last, but you want two columns that break them out. Select the data, then on the Data tab, at the top, click Text to Columns. Choose to separate them by either delimiters, based on spaces or commas, great for CSV data values, or by a fixed width. Fixed width is utilized when all the data is crammed into the first column, but separated by a fixed number of spaces or period. The rest is like magic, with extra options for certain numbers.